Today we're diving into Aiarty's Image Enhancer, a generative AI power tool that not only preserves details of your images, but can even generate new ones. With just a few clicks, you can upscale your images to massive resolutions. Think 4K, 8K, even 32K. So it's really perfect for wall art, posters, product shots, and galleries, even designs. So it uses 3 advanced AI models working behind the scenes to deblur, denoise, and sharpen your images, breathing new life into every pixel. I'm also going to take you through how I used Aiarty for my project, mainly to enhance a low-resolution image of a design that was captured as a screenshot with a mobile. First, let's see and compare the 3 AI models and the difference between them. Aiarty allows you to choose between 3 different AI models to enhance your photo. Depending on what you are looking for, each model would provide you with different end results. So how to use Aiarty? Actually, you will have to download the software and install it to your computer for free. It also has 10 free days of trial, which you can use to test all the AI models and see the results on your images. So it has 3 different AI models that you can apply on your images: the more detailed gen, the smooth diff, and the real photo. So once you download the software to your computer and install it, you will be faced with an interface like the one in front of you. From the hardware section, it reads the capabilities of your PC and you can choose the best graphics card to use for the software, as it really depends on the power of your computer to work. And then there is the AI model window. You can choose between the 3 different AI models that we have discussed: the more detailed, the smooth diff, and the photo and the real photo. And each model lists or tells you which the capabilities and what you're gonna get. And also the upscaling size differs between each AI model. And also you can press on the 2-pass processing to allow the software to generate twice the capabilities using 2 different models. So the smooth diff as the first model, and then you can maybe choose the more detail as the second model. And also there's an option to enter a custom resolution if you would like to do so. So for our first example here, I'm going to use the smooth diff model and the 8x upscale. And also I'm going to highlight the 2-pass processing and choosing the more detailed model as an additional processing enhancement for this photo. And I'm going to add a photo of my friend's cat. So just press on the middle frame and upload the photo. And once the photo is selected, the processing will start right away using the AI model that you have selected. And this will take a couple of seconds to process the photo. And once the photo is finished, you can check the before and after version. Simply change the scale size of the photo to see the before and after, and then you can move the slider between the 2 images. The original is on the left side and the enhanced one is on the right. By the way, this photo has a very bad resolution, so you can see that the details on the right side came to life, and there are much of hairlines and fur that has been added to the image. So this is the first result, and the enhancement is very obvious. And you can also press on the add text button to add text to the image and export the image with the text in case you would like to, for example, create a gift card, for example, or add the text for any other reason. And you can change the text font and the size of the font. Simply choose between different fonts that are added to the software and adjust the size, and once you're okay, you can export the photo with the final results. So this font is nice. So, and then press on the run button to export the photo. The software allows you to export the image in a couple of formats. So the PNG, so there's the PNG 8 bits and the PNG 16 bits. And once you press on the run, the image will be exported to the output directory on your PC. So now for the next example, let's choose the smooth diff again model, and this time I'm going to add my project photo. It's an image that I have taken as a screenshot on my phone of a design that I liked. It was on a hoodie, and I would like to enhance the image. As you can see, the image resolution is very low. So I'm comparing all the three models. This time I will enhance the design through all three AI models on the Aiarty software and compare all the three results and see which one is the best. So for the first example, I'm going to use the same model, the smooth diff 8x, and this is the result that I got, and it really looks nice. Later on, I'm going to compare the three results for you, but let's first enhance the image this time using the real photo model, and I'm going to use the maximum upscaling capability of my PC for this one. So again, I'm using the same image, and again, the image, once you upload the image to your software, the processing starts, and once again the final results looks great. The details and the colors are vivid, and you can see the before and after. There is a clear difference, and I'm going to export this one, and later on, like I said, I'm going to compare all the exported images together, and finally I'm going to use the more detailed model and the 8x resolution, and the more detailed model also gives me a very sharp and detailed output, and you can see that this one has more sharpness than even the one before, and again the before and after looks, and again I'm going to export this one, and finally I'm going to use the maximum capabilities of the smooth diff. I'm going to have the one more result with the smooth diff and the 8K to compare all of them, and also this time I'm going to use the 2-pass processing, adding the more detailed Jan model as a second processing model to the image. So I'm going to compare 4 results actually of the same design to see which one is better to use, as I'm going to use the final one for my design. So the result of this one also looks great. So, and this is before and after. So let's export this one and add all the 4 images on Photoshop to compare all the results and see which one is better and to see the difference. So let's export this one. So now I have added all the 4 results to my Photoshop: the smooth model 8x, the real photo model, the more detailed model, and the smooth 8x, but with the 2 processing option added. So let's see, this is the one with the smooth 8K 2-pass processing, and this one is the more detailed. We can see that the smooth 8K is sharper and the colors are more vivid, but the one with the more detail adds more details, especially to the dots or the half-tone effect on the left side. You can see that the circles are more rounded, and the real photo is not the best when it comes to this design, because it's dedicated or works better with images that are more realistic. And the smooth 8x is also a great option. It looks really nice, but I think for this design the more detailed one is perfect, so I can see all the details very clearly. And also the smooth 8K 2-pass, of which I used 2 AI models to enhance the photo. The smooth 8K and then the more detailed is also great, so that the last 2 results are perfect. I'm going to work on my image now using the more detailed result, and I'm going to work on it to remove any unnecessary elements of the design using Photoshop, remove all the background and enhance the colors that are left out or the unclear text. And this is how I ended up with a final ready for print design using the Aiarty Enhancer to enhance a very low resolution design that I have captured from a screenshot. Then using Photoshop I worked on it to get a clear lines, and I ended up with this great design on my hoodie. So that was a quick video about how to use Aiarty Image Enhancer that has great capabilities for your projects. You can download the enhancer for free from the link below, and also they are currently running a discount for the Christmas and end of year offer. I will leave a link in the description for it as well. Thanks for watching.